Welcome to the Lie and the Justice podcast, where we explore the most interesting and relevant aspect of the legal system. Today we have with use expert litigation attorneys Natalie and law student Ariana and interview Dimas. And, to, and today we have to about legal process and the different stages of that suite.
The lawsuit is a formal complaint filed in court, right, Natalie?
That's right, Dimas. A lawsuit is a legal filing that seeks a solution to a problem or dispute.
And who are the parties involved in a lawsuit?
Usually, there is a plaintiff and defendant. The plaintiff is the person who files the lawsuit, while the defendant is the person against whom the lawsuit is filed.
And what happens after the lawsuit is filed?
Then comes the legal process. The parties may hire lawyers to represent them in a court, and the case may be presented before a judge or a jury. The judge presides over the trial and makes the final decisions, while the jury is a group of people who hear the case and render verdict.
And how does the legal system work?
The legal system is based on laws, which are divided into three categories: statutes, precedent, and constitutional law. Statutes are laws written by the government and approved by the Congress. Precedent are prior court decisions that are used as a guide for a future case, and constitutional laws refers to a laws established by the Constitution.
And in terms of jurisdiction, what are the types of jurisdiction that exist?
There are three types of jurisdiction: personal, territorial, and subject. Personal jurisdiction refers to the authority of the court over a particular person. Territorial jurisdiction refers to the court's authority over a specific geographic location, and subject jurisdiction refers to the court's authority over a specific subject matter.
And what is a packet lawsuit?
A lawsuit packet is a packet of documents that includes a demand letter, correspondence, and form letter. These documents are used to initiate a case in a court.
And what happens in a trial?
During a trial, each side presents its arguments and evidence in support of its position. The judge presides over the trial and makes decisions on the legal issues. At the end of the trial, the jury or judge make a decision and a sentence is issued.
And what is a pretrial hearing?
A pre-trial hearing is a hearing before trial to discuss the details of the case and resolve any pre-trial legal issues.
And what is a plea bargain?
A plea bargain is an agreement between the plaintiff and the defendant in which the defendant agrees to plead guilty in exchange for a reduced sentence or a lighter sentence.
And what is perjury?
Perjury is the crime of lying under oath in court. It is a serious crime and can result in serious penalties, including imprisonment.
So how does the legal system ensure that the legal process is fair?
The legal system guarantees a fair process through due process, which is the set of the rules and the procedures established to ensure that the rights of all parties are respected during a trial. In addition, cases are based on law and precedent, which means
that all parties have an equitable opportunity to present their arguments and that decisions are based on facts and evidence.
And finally, what happens after a trial?
After a trial, if the defendant is found guilty, a person, sentence, or both can be imprisoned. If the plaintiff wins the case, he or she may receive compensation for the damages suffered. It is important to remember that all the parties have the right to appeal the judge's or jury's decision if they feel that a mistake was made during the trial.
Well, that's it for today on our Like and Use podcast. Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoyed this discussion about the legal process and the different stakes of the lawsuit. See you next time.